So I'm here at Freetail, and I have this big question I just haven't been able to figure out the answer to. Maybe you can help me. So, do I need to reach out to you for a session? Is that something that's really important to you? I find that a lot of my clients, they don't reschedule or they don't come and ask for another session, and I wonder what that might be and why. And what I found is that if I reach out to them, if I'm like, hey, how are you, thinking about you, and it's genuine, I will think of people randomly, I wonder how Billy's doing, or I wonder how Donnie is doing, or whomever. Those are random fictitious names, by the way. And I think, do they need me to reach out? And so I'll just say, hey, thinking about you, just curious how you are. And especially with clients that I've seen for many sessions, not just, the random one-timer, but the ones that I've, been connected with for a while. And so I reach out and say, hey, how you doing? And then they're like, hey, do you have time today or tomorrow? And then they come in for a session. And I think, do they just need me to connect and talk to them? Is that what they needed? Do they need me to remember them? And I know that feels good. And I wonder, that does feel so good. And I can honor that. But what do you think? And I also am really conscientious around not wanting it to seem markety or gimmicky, hey, I'm looking for clients, even though I kind of am looking for clients, right? To be authentic, I'd love to see clients, and I love to see the ones I've seen in the past that I've really built a relationship with. And is it on me? I wonder. Is it the best, the best that I reach out to them? Do I wait for them? These are the questions that I have. And so for now, when I remember someone, when it's authentic, I'll reach out and just check in and see how they are. And if they want a session, great. And if they don't, that's okay too. And then those who remember me, hopefully it's also the other way, they'll come and reach out to me. So what do you think? Would it make a difference for your professional, your practitioner to come to you and reach out to you? Or would you rather just them leave you alone and wait for you to contact them? All right, those are my thoughts. I am reporting live here at the brewery. Ooh, lots of beer. I did have 1 pint. All right.